the Indian stock market selling should be over within the next few days. I would say by Monday, December 26th, we should be done with the majority of the selling, and a rebound is very likely thereafter. I'm very much amused by analysts, by commentators who just around last week of October were extolling the virtues of investing in mid-cap stocks. They were in a celebratory tone talking about the virtues of investing in the non-banking financial services, the NBFCs space, as being one of the great ways to accumulate, to build wealth. And today they are saying that this is one of the sectors which has, where the hype is coming off. True, it is. But then if you had things like these in mind, you should be able to see it much before. So kudos to all the commentators. Now it's very easy to say this as an after effect. The greatness comes if you can and do it before the event actually happens. There was no need to strike strong bullish tones just a few days before the demonetization. Now I was not privy, but if you read my book written in early part of 2016, I could see a correction good coming up in November and December of this year. I've pinpointed the exact dates, November 9 to December 27, and that's exactly what the way it has played out. So I could see that certain events were going to happen. This was based on some algorithms, some data which I could gather much before. I was not privy, and I'm not privy about what's happening next. But my belief is that the government is realizing that the economy is in bad shape, and the only way they can turn this whole thing around is by offering a series of incentives. So I personally think as soon as December 30, to some extent, and to a larger extent on January 2, Narendra Modi should be unleashing a good stimulus package, cut in interest rates, try to boost consumer spending in a manner that people actually go out and spend more and try to stimulate the economy. This is definitely on the cards, and therefore if you have investments in stocks, and if you think, or are you getting frightened, don't go and sell your family silver. This is not the time. Now that you have stuck and you have invested at a wrong time, and this is why, to digress a bit, I think that the way you make money is you invest at the right time. SIPs themselves will not say you through. You should be invested in stock market. You should figure out the timing. All the people say you cannot time, but how could I tell 11 months in advance that this is the period in which a good downfall is round the corner? I can tell you some more about 2017, but you will have to stay tuned. Anyway, this is not the time. I think the rebound is on the cards. Definitely the stocks have been oversold. Besides, a great stimulus package is in the offing. Definitely, it's just about 10 days away. So this is definitely not the time that you should go and sell. Stay put, stay calm. And when you see the markets rebound sharply, if you have some stocks which do not, where the valuations were lofty and have come down, but if you see them rebound, then in this rebound, I think you should sell some stocks now. The rebound will itself not present an opportunity for you to invest for the long haul. For that, you'll have to wait much longer in the year 2017, which I will point out to you from time to time. In fact, my review for 2017 will cover the time periods where it would be most advisable to invest for the long term, but this is not going to be the time. In any event, don't sell the family silver. Sharp rebound in equities in the Indian stock markets is very much possible now, very much on the cards. As early as next week, we should see some rebound. Yes, there will be 2 or 3 days more of selling today, 22nd, 30, 23rd, around 26th. I think that's it. This should be around the time that a rebound should start in in Indian stock markets. Don't forget, Indian stock markets have been badly battered over the last 2 months. Global stocks have not been hit so hard. In fact, the Dow Jones has galloped quite a bit. Now, what happens to Dow Jones and other Western markets from here is yet another story which I will tell you. I think the Trump era is about to begin, and this is going to present many opportunities and as well as many challenges. So stay tuned, stay calm, and enjoy the rebound that should happen next week in Indian stock markets. Take care. Happy investing. Bye bye.